change of company name tadi pun dia macam simple. Macam daripada tu kepada tu. Saya expect you explain kenapa, rasional you nak tukar kenapa.
Global Trading Company Limited be approved, considering that every requirement mentioned by Mr. Khairul is met. Shareholders, please raise your hands if you agree.
Okay, Ms. Lala, so I would like to clarify that the changes of our external audit is not just because we are not satisfied with their current works, but KPMG has been our external auditor for 10 years, as you know. So we really appreciate their good services and professionals works during the years. However, as part of good corporate governance,
according to the document received, there was an expense of 68,500 per Elevator Global Trading Company Limited for the commercial funds. However, the company office and pharmacy outlet are in full condition. Mr. Pala, since this invoice approved under your signature, may I know why this information was approved?
I deny any wrongdoing here. No. I bought this pen for the workers that work at the warehouse because the warehouse is very hot. So all of these transactions for the sake for our beloved employees. I'm not doing anything wrong here.
Miss Ramadhan. The issue is that the supporting documents are incomplete. The auditor could not find any record, warehouse, request form or written approval from the operation department. The payment was also made shortly after the elevator contract was recommended to Mr. Hidayat. Since your signature and approval code are on the invoice, this matter need to be properly investigated.
Whoa. Chairman, I'm actually quite shocked to hear this. I need to clarify that I never request this pen, and none of them were ever delivered to any of our warehouse or pharmacy outlet. This is honestly the first time I have seen this document. Elevator is the same company that was introduced to us for the proposed contract. Ms. Rahana was the one who first wrote the proposal to the management. She told me it would have improved our warehouse operation and support our supply chain. As the COO, I trusted the recommendation. I believe all the necessary checks had already been done before it comes to the board. But after seeing all this, I really don't know what to say. If I had known there was something else going on behind this proposal, I would never ever have supported it.
Chairman, may I add something? There's something that we just discovered a few minutes ago. I just found actually that our chairman, Mr. Azrul Naim, have a certificate of ownership of Aero Bento itself. Our preliminary finding also shows that the relationship was not declared to the board or the audit and risk committee. Frankly, I'm very disappointed.
Very good.
If this information is true, why is it not disclosed in here? This is serious governance issue. Before we proceed with this contract, I strongly believe that this matter must be clarified first. We need to ensure that all transparency and protect the interest of the company and all the shareholders.
Okay, so on behalf of the management, I would like to explain why the company recommends the election of Chief Chairman, Ms. Laika and Ms. Hidayat. So they have performed well and contributed a lot to the growth and success of the company. Their experience, hard work and commitment have helped the company achieve its goal and maintain good governance. So therefore, the board believes that keeping them as directors is in the best interest of the company and also its shareholders.
Alright, thank you Mr. Naim. In addition to this matter, the board has identified a new potential and independent director, Dato' Siti Nurhaliza. She has accumulated related experience in the industry.
And lie. However, no evidence has been found. The investigation found a drugstore and forest shop connected to Aerovento. The shop appeared to sell unlicensed drug product. The evidence presented is serious and cannot be ignored. Therefore, the company should conduct an independent investigation and cooperate with the relevant authorities if needed.
Chairman, I am really disappointed. I work closely with both our CFO and CEO. So during all this, difficult to accept it. We trust each other as part of the management team. If what we have just seen is true, then not only what that not only was the board keeping it up, but I was too. I feel support and independent investigation so we can find out what really happened.
Support mediation for both of them.
So based on the evidence presented,
We now proceed to the final special business item.
The official minutes of meetings and arrange for the necessary submissions to CCM where required. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you, Aisa, and thank you to all shareholders, directors, and management for your participation and cooperation. I now declare the 26th annual general meeting of the company closed.
Okay, good job.
I would like to peluang ni untuk mengucapkan selamat pengantin baru kepada Hidayah. Walaupun lama lagi, macam nanti video ni boleh letak dalam blog Okay, kepada anak Daya, ini mangga.
Apa? Tak ada, dia dah cakap.
Hai korang, kita orang dah habis meeting. Tahu tak, kita orang dah habis the last presentation as student.
Korang cakap apa ni?
Kita hari ni kita last present as student.
Ya ke? Tante nak kerja student lagi?
Tanya. Confirm tak nak?
Confirm
Kalau confirm untuk aku tak apa. Korang tak percaya. Asal?
masih boleh.
Bye-bye guys. Kita dah habis dah ni. Baik kita sama-sama ni. Thank you Allah Diva.
Okay, kata-kata reporting.
Bye.
Sekarang kita orang nak pergi ke Bogganos. Tapi kan nanti balik kan?
Kicap lagi laju. Kalau mana kicap, Bayu pun tak nampak. Kat belakang, dia tak gerak tadi. Bayu sana. Di belakang sekali. Kau masukkan negara.
Ika jangan bagi dekat kau.
Jadi kan tu.
Ika, tak boleh Ika, cepat kau. Tante dia tak heran pun. Kita je.
Aku tahu nak yang merah. Aduh.
Ika apa ni kau like kau?
Dia menu boleh.
Biar aku je lah kak.
Okey, boleh.
Hai, nak makan?
Jalan apa? Makan.
Kita orang lapar.
Ini jalan apa?
Tengok direct. Hai. Jom kiri je.
Ini ikut.
Habis lah pakai.
Ai. Tolong kak yang tadi yang joget tu.
Tak apa. Nino kayak
Joget tadi, dia joget lagi.
Dia yang sampai.
Oh my god, rescue dia putus. Wah, belak.
tak nak.
Cik.
Ayo, cik masuk tadi. Saya problem. Saya masuk dia terus take out.
Tengok wifi cakap apa. Dia yang bagi.
Tak boleh. Tak boleh.
Kok, itu kenapa pula? Kenapa kau dekut tak bagi kita orang ikut?
Nak.